Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the February 2026 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit comes out every month with two brand new collections. You'll get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You also have access to a free exclusive cut file. This month is the Cupcake Duo, a super cute cut file. You can use that for birthdays, just for a special day, Valentine's Day. You could get your sweetie a cupcake. So be sure to grab that. You also have access to two recipe cards. These are double page layouts designed by our design team, so they'll give you their cutting and assembly instructions and then a color photograph of the finished layout so that you can create right along with them. This month we're featuring Cartabella Be Mine, this beautiful Valentine's collection and love, and then Simple Stories, the Simple Vintage Junk Drawer. So super cute this month, lots of flowers if you like flowers, and butterflies. Super cute. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these collections. So the first collection we're going to look at is Be Mine from Cartabella. You're going to start with two sheets of black cardstock, a sheet of bubble gum. Your pattern paper is this beautiful floral bouquet, and the back is a white heart on pink. That paper is called Love and Pretty Flowers. Then we have this with all of the sweet envelopes with the little wax seal and the flowers, super cute. You could fussy cut some of those for some embellishments. The back is a little white heart print on black, and that paper is called Sealed with Love Letters. And then we have this super cute pink truck with the back full of florals. I guess you could say it was a love bug too, whichever one you like best. The back is a green striped print, and this one is called Full of Love Floral. So one more look at your patterned papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a wide scalloped border of the roses, some word labels. There's tags in here, banners. Lots of these bigger tags that you could use in your titles or subtitles. And there's that cute little truck. I'm going to call it a truck because I love little trucks, but it kind of looks like a VW bug too. So you're going to get all of that to decorate with. So that is Be Mine from Cartabella. Our second collection is the Simple Vintage Junk Drawer by Simple Stories. And this is just a gorgeous collection. You could scrapbook absolutely everyday photos, heritage photos, anything. It's just a really pretty collection, and I love the vintage collections. So you're going to start with two sheets of twill cardstock. The color may vary, or the name of the cardstock may vary, but the color will be like a gray. And then a white sheet of cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one, Beauty in the Details, which is all these gorgeous butterflies, which of course you could fussy cut some of those. The back is this ledger print, again, fussy cut and used for embellishments. This is a gorgeous paper. This is a must-have sheet of paper for this collection. This one is Notes and Things, this gorgeous background of text with the floral bouquet. And the back is a typewriter print, which has some words hidden in, so you could fussy cut those or just draw attention to them using it for photo mats or things. This paper is called Notes and Things. This paper is Timeless Moments, and it's a gorgeous floral on the blue with white polka dot. Stunning. And the back is this large ledger, which is perfect for a background already because you have all of your little stacked layers of ledger pieces and embellishments on the sides. So another great paper. So one more look there. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the foam stickers. So all of the kits will vary among the embellishments, but you'll get some of these. You'll get some of the enamel dots. And then you're going to get a mixture of the journal and the floral ephemera pieces. So these are the ones that I got. Yours may vary. So that is Simple Vintage Junk Drawer by Simple Stories. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available and the individual items in the store, and join us on the Facebook group and the blog. We have sketches. We have the Freaky Fast Friday challenge, which is my favorite. Lots of things going on, so be sure to join us over there. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.